Welcome students. Our today topic is square of numbers. If x is a number, then x multiplied by x is equal to x power 2 is a square of x. That means if a number multiplied by itself, then the product is called square of numbers. Now we will learn square of number by using याव दूनम ताव दूनीकृत्य वर्गांक योज्यत method. In this method we use formula n square is equal to n plus minus d square, where n is number and d deviation of number from base. Base is 10, 100, 1000, so on. In formula, using plus sign if number is greater than base, and using minus sign if number is less than base. In this method, answer have two parts, left part and right part. In right part, we keep the same number of digits as the number of zeros in the base. Now 12 square. 12 is closer to 10, so base is 10. Number is 12. Deviation 12 minus 10 is 2. We take plus sign because 12 is greater than 10. Number plus deviation 2, 2 square. 12 plus 2, 14, and 2 square is 4. Answer is 144. 14 square. Base 10, number 14, deviation 4, 4 square. 14 plus 4 is 18 and 4 square 16. Base has single zero, so we keep right side single digit. Then 1 carry forward to left part. 18 plus 1, 19, 6. Answer is 196. 15 square. 15 plus deviation 5, deviation square. 15 plus 5, 20, and 5 square is 25. Base 10 has 1 0, so we keep one digit in right part. This 2 carry forward to left part. 20 plus 2, 22, 5. Answer is 225. If you practice very well, then you can find a square of number in one step. For example, 16 square. 6 square 36, 2 digit, base 10, so we keep single digit 6, 3 carry. 16 deviation 6, 16 plus 6 22, and carry 3 is 25. 16 square is 256. 17 square. 7 square 49, carry 4. 17 plus 4 24, and 4 28 is answer. 18 square. 8 square 64, carry 6. 18 plus 8 26, and plus 8 and plus 6 32. Answer is 324. Now 91 square. 91 is closest to 100, so base 100, number is 91. 91 is less than 100, so we take negative sign, and deviation difference of 91 and 100 is 9. Deviation square 9 square. 91 minus 9 is 82, and 9 square is 81. Base has 2 0, so we keep 2 digit. Hence answer is 8281. (93) square. Number 93, deviation 7, deviation square. 93 minus 7 is 86, and 7 square is 49. So answer is 8649. 98 square. Base 100. Number 98, deviation 100 minus 98 2, and 2 square. 98 minus 2 is 96, and 2 square is 4. Base has 2 0, so we keep 2 digit. Here single digit, so we put 0 on left side of 4. Answer is 9604. (101) square. Base 100. Number is 101. Deviation 1, 1 square. 102, 1. Base has 2 0, so we put 0 on left side of 1. Answer is 10,201. 105 square. 5 square 105 plus 5. 110, 25. Answer is 11,025. 107 square. 7 square is 49. 107 plus 7, 114. This is the answer. Now, the square of numbers from 21 to 90. It is not given in our textbooks, but I will explain to your knowledge and fast calculation. Now, square of 21 to 30. 21 square. 21 is not closer to 10, base 10. It is closer to 20. If 10 multiplied by 2, we get 20 subbase. In this situation, we use formula 2 into number plus deviation square. If number is greater than subbase, we use plus. If number is less than subbase, we use minus. 21 square. 2 multiple number is greater than subbase. So number 21 and we use plus deviation 1 square. 2 into 22, 1 square is 1. 22 to the 44, 1. Answer is 441. square. Number 24 plus deviation 4 square. 2 into 28, 4 square, 16. 28 to the 56, 16. Subbase has 1 0, so we keep one digit in right part, one carry forward to left part. 56 plus 1, 57, 6. Answer is 576. 29 square. 29 plus 9, 9 square. 2 into 38, 9 square is 81. 38 to the 76, 81. 76 plus 8, 84, 1. Answer is 841. 31 square. It is closer to 30. So we use formula 3, number plus minus deviation square. 3 into number 31, and 31 is greater than 30, so plus sign, deviation 1 square. 3 into 9, 32, 1 square is 1. 32 3s are 96, 1. Answer is 961. 28 square. 28 is closer to 30, so we use subbase 30. 3. Number is less than 30, so number and we use sign minus. Division of 28 from 30 is 2 square. 3 multiplied by 26, 2 square is 4. 26 3s are 78, 4. Answer is 784. 62 square. 62 plus, it is closer to 60. 62 is greater than 60. Division 2, we use plus sign. 2 square. 6 into 64, 2 square is 4. 6 4 ja 24, carry 2. 6 is a 36 and 2, 38, 4. Answer is 3844. Now, another method. By using identity a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. We use identity as a, b whole square, a square, 2ab, b square. Using this method to find the square of two-digit number. In this method, answer have three parts: left part, middle part, right part. We keep single digit in middle part and right part. If right part have two digits, then left digit carry forward to middle part. And if middle part have two digits, then left digit carry forward to left part. Now let's start. 12 square. A is 1, B is 2. A square means 1 square. 2 into A 1, B is 2, B square means 2 square. 1 square is 1, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, and 2 square is 4. Middle part and right part have single digits, so answer 144. (14 square). 1 square, 2 into 1 into 4, 4 square. 1 square is 1, 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, and 4 square is 16. Right part have two digits, so left digit 1 carry forward to middle part. 8 plus 1 is 9. 1, 9, 6. Answer is 196. 24 square. 2 square, 2 into 4 and 4 square. 2 square is 4, 2 twos are 4, 4 fours are 16, and 4 square is also 16. Right part have two digits, so left digit 1 carry forward to middle part. 16 plus 1, 17. 2 digit, left digit forward to left part. 4 plus 1, 5. Answer is 576. 34 square. 4 square is 16, but we keep single digit, so 1 carry for middle part. 2 into 3, 6 into 4 is 24, and plus 1, 25. Carry is 2. 3 square is 9 and plus 2 is 11. 1156 is answer. 7 square is 49, carry 4. 2 into 4, 8, 8 sevens are 56. 56 plus 4, 60, carry 6. 4 fours are 16 and 6, 22. Answer is 2209. 53 square. 3 square is 9. 2 into 5 into 3. 2 5 is a 10, 3 is a 30. 0 carry 3. 5 5 is a 25 and plus 3 28. Answer is 2809. Now square of numbers whose unit digit is 5. For example, 15 square, 25 square, 35 square, 45 square, 55 square, 65 square. In the square of this type number, we use Ekadhikain Purvain Anantayod Deskapi method. In my previous video, this method is explained for multiplying number. 15 multiplied by 15. This method is used when sum of unit place is 10 and remaining number are same. 5 5 is 25 and one more 1 is 2 and 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. 225. 25 multiplied by 25. 5 5 is 25. 2 more 1, that means 3 multiplied by 2, 6. 625. 5 square 25. 3 more 1, 4. 4 3 is 12. 5 5 is 25. 4 1 5 is 4 more 1 is 5 and 5 4 is 20. 5 6 is 30. 6 7 is 42. 7 8 is 56. 8 9 is 90. Sorry, 8 9 is 72. 9 10 is 90. 10 into 11, 110. 11 multiplied by 12 is 132. I hope now all of you calculate square of number very fast. Thank you, students.